Namaste everyone. I am Shriya. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. In today's tutorial, we are going to make an alphabetic I box and a gift which can gift your loved ones. This is a series where I had made all alphabet boxes and a cute gifts for each alphabet. Do check out Alphabet and Numbers craft playlist for more such videos. For making I box, you will require paper. Measurements are given on the screen. Mark 7 cm on both the sides and draw a square of 7 cm. Now draw flaps on 3 sides for sticking purpose. Cut the template. Fold all lines as shown in the video. Glue the flap and assemble the box. For making lid of the box, measurements are given on the screen. Fold the lines as shown in the video. Glue the flap and join the boxes. Your super cute I box is ready. You can give gifts and chocolates in this amazing gift box. Now let's make an alphabetic I candle. Take a plastic bottle, cut the bottle with cutter or scissor. Bend the plastic cutout. Mark 3 cm on front side and back side and draw a line. Fold the lines . Your alphabet I is ready. For making candle, you will require wax, and for making colorful candle, you will require wax crayon. Melt the wax by using double boiler method. Cover the bottom side of plastic with transparent tape. Now, pour the melted wax in the plate Wait for 1 minute and then put it in the plastic container. Make a tiny hole and insert candle wick. You can make this wick by dipping any ordinary thread into a melted wax. After 3 hours, remove the candle from the plastic container carefully. Your alphabet candle eye is ready. It is looking so pretty. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.